Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Listen and Speak. Welcome to our English class. How are you tonight, Alex?
I'm happy.
Oh, you're happy. That's good to hear. So we will have our first lesson in your new book. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, it's all about last weekend. Can you say it?
L- Last weekend.
Okay, so you'll talk about the places where you can go. hmm Number
Yes.
one. Do you know what is number one? Can you help me?
Auction.
It's
Auction.
Yes, aquarium. Can you say it again?
Aquarium. Aquarium.
Aquarium.
Aquarium.
Very good.
Aquarium.
Aquarium here is where you can see underwater animals like big fish, whales, sharks, octopus. You can see it here inside the aquarium. Next one,
Yes.
number two. Let's go and look for number two. Where is number two? Oh, this one. What's number two?
Or scarlet. Scarlet.
Ski resort.
Eraser.
One more time.
Eraser.
Very good. So here you can ski, like them here. You can go to the
Ski
mountains
resort.
and yeah, you can go to the mountains and try skiing here. How about
Mm.
number three? We have this one,
Soccer stadium.
soccer stadium.
Stadium.
One more time, soccer
Soccer
stadium.
stadium.
Okay, good work. So here people play soccer and the people watch soccer. Okay?
Yes.
About number four. For number four, where is number four or this one? Look, what is this? Can you please help me?
Con concert hair.
It's a concert hall. Very
Concert.
good. Yes, this is a concert hall. So this is where people perform like K-pop idols. They sing, they dance, okay? And people watch them
Concert.
perform here. How about number five? This is number five. Look.
Swimming pool.
Yes, what can you do here?
What?
What can you do here? Do you watch soccer game here?
No.
What do you do here?
Water.
Yeah, what do you do here in the water?
Pool.
You swim.
Yes. Ah.
What do you do here? You swim here. Can you say, I can swim
Yes.
here?
I can swim here.
Okay, here you can watch soccer game here. I can watch soccer game here.
Soccer play.
Yeah, you
I
you watch.
can soccer.
Yeah, you can
Soccer
watch
play.
soccer game here. And this one we have. What is this? Can you help
Science
me?
museum.
Science Museum. Very good. Science Museum.
Yes.
Okay.
Science.
Here in a science museum, let me translate it to you. This is a Okay, so this is a science museum.
Yes.
Here, here you can see different things, important things about science. How about here? We have, what's this?
Art gla gallery.
Art gallery. So, teacher, what is art gallery? It's a place you can see where you can see paintings, pictures, important sculptures or drawings. They put it inside the gallery so people can visit this and look at them. Now let's go here to the next one we have.
Mm, net net park.
It's National Park.
National park.
One more time.
It's national park.
Yes, National Park. So here, National Park is a place where you can go here, have a picnic, okay, walk, play with your friends. It has a lot of trees, some lake. So this is a park. So if you will choose one, where do you want to go, Alex? Do you want to go here, 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 or here? Where do you want to go? Like Teacher Anna, I want to go to the aquarium. How about you,
I want
Alex?
to go soccer stadium.
Can you say, I want to go to the soccer
I
stadium?
I want to go soccer stadium.
I want you to say it better, so I will write it for you. Can you please help me read this sentence, Alex?
I want
Oh,
to the
sorry. It should be go. Please read it again.
I want to go
Uh,
the soccer
I want to
stadium.
go
I I
to.
I want to go to the soccer stadium.
Is that stadium? Stadium.
Stadium.
Okay. So we are done with this. Now we will try our first sentence pattern. Okay?
Yes.
So we are talking about last weekend. So we will use the word went. Okay? So this is
Yeah.
our question for this first activity. Where did you go last weekend? So this is the question, and here's the answer. I went to a national park. Can you please help me read, Alex? Alex, can you read this?
Oh,
Can you read this,
soccer
please?
stadium.
No, this
Soccer
one. I
stadium.
want you to read. Please
Mm,
read. Where
yes.
did you need to read? I want to hear it.
Where did I'm going?
Oh,
I'm go.
you say you read this. Okay, just read. Where did you go
Where
last
did
weekend? I went to a national park. Please just read.
Where did you go last weekend? I went to go a soccer stadium.
No, read this. Read.
National park.
Okay, now you will do your own sentences here. We will follow the
Mm.
pictures. We are done with the first one. This is a national park. We're done with that. Now we will go to number two. Where did you go last weekend? What is this? This is a
Ah,
concert hall.
center. Oh,
So how do you say that? Can you help me, please?
oh,
I went.
I went a concert.
Look, I went to. Oh,
I went to a concert.
okay. How about number two?
I
I went to an
I went on a
art
art gla- gallery.
gallery. How about this
Mm.
one? Where did you go last weekend?
Where where did you go last weekend? I went to a
An.
aquarium
An. Look.
and an aquarium.
Okay, so you will just say this, okay? Don't read the
Yes,
question anymore, please.
yes.
How about number 5? Where did you go last weekend?
I went to a ski le-
Resort.
resort.
How about this one? Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend, Alex?
A science
Oh, your
mu-
sentence.
I
What's your
I want
sentence?
to and
Oh, ah, look, it's not an,
I
it's
want
ah.
to a science museum.
Let's go to number 7 now.
I want to a swimming pool.
Good. And lastly, where did you go last weekend?
I want to a soccer
Stay stadium.
stadium.
Wow. See, you're done with this and you did so nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's go to the next sentence, okay?
Yes,
Okay. Now let's go here. Ooh. So we will ask each other here, okay?
yes,
About where did we go last weekend? Listen to teacher first.
yes.
Wait for teacher. So can you please ask me,
Where
Alex?
did you go last weekend?
I can say I went to hmm, I went to the movie theater and watch with my friends. How about you, Alex? Where did you go last weekend, Alex?
I went to a movie theater and
Oh no, that's
watch.
teacher Anna's answer. That is teacher. This is my answer. How about you,
I
Alex?
went
Where did you
to
go
a
last weekend?
I went to a soccer stadium.
What did you do there?
What?
Did you swim there?
What?
Did you swim in the soccer stadium? Did you
No,
swim or what did you do there?
not there.
Nothing? You didn't watch you didn't watch a soccer game?
Yes.
What did you do there?
What?
This is my question for you. I want you to listen, please.
I went to a
Uh-huh.
soccer
Wait.
stadium.
Yes, what did you do there?
I went to a soccer stadium.
Yeah, I know. What did you do there in the soccer stadium? What did you do there? What did you do there in the soccer stadium?
Soccer.
How do you say it? I? Did you
I
watch or did you play soccer? Did you watch
soccer
soccer?
play. Soccer play.
Did you watch or did you play? Did you watch or play? Watch soccer or play soccer?
What is a
Did you play soccer or watch soccer?
play soccer? Yes.
Okay. So I just want you to say it in a sentence properly. What did you do there?
I play soccer.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will ask you again, Alex. I want you to speak to me properly. What did you do there? You can say, I.
I went to a soccer stadium and play soccer.
I will ask you again the same question. Where did you go last weekend?
I went to a soccer stadium and play soccer.
Okay. That is very nice. Thank you, Alex. Now we will go here. So these are the things we can do in different places. So here in the stadium, in the soccer stadium, we can say you can,
Watch a soccer game.
but it's in the past tense already, so watch will be watch.
Watch.
Okay, like here.
Watch a soccer game.
Very good. How about here for number two? What can you do in a concert hall? You can say
Listen to class
classical.
classical music.
Listen to classical music. So listen will be listened.
Yes.
Listen will be listened. This
Yes.
is the past tense of listen, to be listened. How about number three? What can you do at the national
Mm,
park? Do.
Eat. Eat.
Very good. Okay, just wait for a second, okay?
Eat.